These are the 11 AI tools that will replace entire teams in 2026. Number 11. Thunderbit. Most people don't realize how much modern work is still manual copy-paste. Research assistants scraping websites, cleaning spreadsheets, fixing formatting errors. Thunderbit targets that exact layer. Instead of writing code or setting up scrapers, users describe what they want in plain language. The system turns messy web pages into structured data automatically. That matters because accuracy is where humans quietly lose. Studies on automated data capture show accuracy rates between 99.959 and 99.99%, which works out to just a few errors per 10,000 entries. Human data entry usually lands closer to 96 to 99%, meaning hundreds of errors at the same scale. At enterprise volume, those errors compound fast. This is why data entry teams are often the first to disappear. Number 10. Power Automate. Inside large organizations, a surprising amount of work is still about moving information between systems. Approvals get passed around. Reports are compiled manually. Notifications are triggered late. Databases are synced by hand. Entire operations teams exist just to keep those processes from breaking. Power Automate is designed to automate that connective tissue inside the Microsoft ecosystem. It links apps, data sources, and departments so routine workflows run automatically instead of being managed person by person. This is already happening at scale. U.S. Acute Care Solutions used Power Automate to process 20 million medical records across more than 200 locations, saving over 100,000 hours of work every year. That goes beyond simple efficiency. It changes how work is structured. Research cited by McKinsey shows that automating 50 to 75% of operational tasks can reduce costs by 20 to 35%, while cutting processing time by 50 to 60%. When workflows run continuously on their own, large operations teams become much smaller by default. Number 9. 11 Labs. Voice, used to be one of the hardest parts of production to scale. It meant booking studios, coordinating voice actors, managing retakes, and then repeating the entire process for every new language or region. That complexity made audio slow and expensive, especially for global content. Tools like 11 Labs remove most of that friction by generating naturalish-sounding voices in multiple languages almost instantly. That capability helps explain why the AI voice market is growing so fast. Industry forecasts show it expanding from around $4 billion in 2025 to more than $20 billion by 2031, with annual growth above 30%. That growth is largely driven by real operational demand. Media companies, game studios, education platforms, and global brands increasingly need fast, consistent voice output across regions. When narration, dubbing, and localization can be handled on demand by software, large voice and localization teams quietly become smaller. Number 8. Runway. Video editing used to be a team effort by default. Editors handled cuts, assistants organized timelines, and VFX specialists stepped in later, often stretching post-production across weeks or months. Runway compresses much of that pipeline into a single system. It can generate video from text, remove objects from scenes, create visual effects, and automate edits without relying on traditional frame-by-frame workflows. What makes this notable is where it's already being used. Major studios, including Lionsgate, have publicly used Runway for pre-visualization and visual effects, even in Oscar-winning productions. That places it firmly inside professional workflows, not experimental ones. Runway has also ranked number 1 on the Video Arena leaderboard, a benchmark that compares AI video models on generation quality and performance. The shift here isn't about replacing creative direction. It's about reducing the technical labor around execution. When post-production becomes faster and more automated, fewer people are needed behind the scenes, and teams naturally get smaller. Number 7. Paradox. Hiring looks human on the surface, but most of it's logistics. Screening resumes, scheduling interviews, sending reminders, answering the same candidate questions over and over. Paradox automates that entire layer through conversational AI. This isn't theoretical. Chipotle publicly reported using Paradox to cut hiring time by 75%, reducing time to hire from 12 days to just 4 days. That speed matters in industries where delays directly mean lost revenue. The broader trend backs this up. The recruitment chatbot market was valued at $2.03 billion in 2025 and is projected to reach $5.41 billion by 2030, growing at over 21% annually. When coordination disappears, large recruiting teams quietly shrink. Number 6. Intercom AI. Customer support is another area where most work isn't complex. It's repetitive. Onboarding questions, password resets, billing issues, basic troubleshooting. Intercom AI is designed to handle that entire first layer without human agents. Intercom's own research shows 60% of support leaders expect AI to reduce support costs over the next 5 years, and 58% have already seen improvements in customer satisfaction. Industry-wide, AI is expected to be involved in 95% of customer interactions, with modern chatbots already capable of resolving around 80% of routine inquiries at 90 to 96% accuracy. That doesn't eliminate support teams overnight, but it radically changes how many people are needed. Number 5. Canva AI. Design used to be gated by software skills and time. Canva AI removes much of that friction by generating presentations, social graphics, videos, and branded assets from templates and prompts. The scale here is important. By 2025, Canva reported 260 million monthly users, $3.5 billion in annual revenue, and adoption by 95% of Fortune 500 companies. That level of penetration doesn't happen without changing how work gets done. This doesn't replace high-end creative direction, but it does replace large production teams handling everyday visuals. When non-designers can create usable assets in minutes, the demand for junior design roles drops fast. Number 4. Midjourney. Concept art used to take time. Sketches, mood boards, revisions, and internal reviews. Midjourney compresses that entire ideation phase into minutes. It's now one of the most dominant tools in AI image generation, controlling roughly 26.8% of the market. That dominance matters because concept work shapes everything that follows: marketing campaigns, product design, films, games. Midjourney doesn't finalize products. It accelerates decisions. Teams can explore dozens of visual directions instantly instead of waiting weeks. As a result, the traditional concept phase becomes smaller, faster, and far less people-intensive, changing how creative teams are structured from the start. Number 3. Cursor. Software teams already spend more time thinking about code than writing it. Cursor changes what happens in between. It works directly inside the development environment, handling code generation, refactoring, debugging, and explanations in real time. According to an Opsera survey cited in the research, developers using Cursor save 20 to 25% of their time on everyday tasks, like debugging and refactoring. On more complex projects, development cycles are 30 to 50% shorter, with 40% fewer context switches. That matters because context switching is where productivity quietly dies. When one developer can do more without bouncing between tools, the need for large junior-heavy teams starts to fade. Number 2. 11x. Sales development is mostly repetition. Prospecting, outreach, follow-ups, booking agents, and qualifying leads. 11x automates that entire layer with AI sales agents. According to data cited from ColdReach, companies using 11x saw 30% more meetings per sales rep, 80% higher conversion from meetings to qualified pipeline, and 50% lower cost per lead. The service also reports generating over $100 million in revenue, with inbound calls answered in under 20 seconds. That combination is what changes team structure. When prospecting and follow-ups run autonomously, outbound sales teams no longer scale linearly with growth. Number 1. Overseer OS. Overseer OS is built around a problem most creators underestimate. It's not about filming or editing, but understanding why certain videos work and others don't. At scale, that work becomes slow and fragmented. People jump between YouTube Studio, spreadsheets, notes, and screenshots, trying to reverse engineer competitors by memory. This system automates that analysis layer. It breaks down entire channels rather than isolated videos, looking at patterns across titles, hooks, pacing, tone, topic framing, and performance over time. Instead of asking, why did this one video pop? It focuses on what repeats across multiple uploads and multiple creators in the same niche. It also tracks competitors continuously. That makes it possible to spot format shifts, topic changes, and structural patterns as they emerge, not weeks later. In practice, that replaces hours of manual monitoring and guesswork with structured comparison. Scale is the underlying reason tools like this exist at all. YouTube reported over 2.5 billion monthly active users in 2024, up from roughly 1 billion a decade earlier, and the platform operates in more than 100 countries. At that size, no individual or small team can realistically keep up with the volume of content being published every day. What changes here isn't creativity, it's the workload around analysis. When pattern recognition, competitive tracking, and structure breakdowns are automated, research stops being a bottleneck and becomes infrastructure. That's the layer Overseer OS is targeting. If you made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments. We've also left a link in the description if you want to take a closer look at Overseer OS. If this video was useful, check out the recommended video on your screen right now. Thanks for watching.